Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about top 4 hot selling products on Stakecut. Okay, Stakecut is a platform actually that helps you to promote people's products and get paid some commission, and you can get paid as high as 50% commission, 60% commission depending on the kind of product you are selling. Now these 4 hot selling products on Stakecut that I want to show you are products that are likely to help you generate as high as 100k, 200k, 500k, 1 million and above if you take action, if you know how to promote products. Okay, my name is Awajimam Isioto, and as you know, if you are someone who has subscribed to this channel, you know that I always talk about teaching you stuffs that help you to make money. I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you what it is and how it is. All right, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, I want to say welcome. I'm very excited to have you on this channel. If this is your second time or your third time or your fourth time, I am so glad to have you once again on this channel. All right, so having said that, we are going to go straight into showing you the 4 hot selling products on Stakecut. Okay, before I do that, let me just quickly show you some of my screenshots. Okay, let me just show you some of my screenshots so you can see. Okay, now this is me, this is my screenshot. You can see the money there. You can see $12.5. Okay, that's a commission I got, okay, from a product I sold. Remember I told you that you can get as high as 50% commission when you promote products on Stakecut. Now here's another one. You can see this is another $12.5. That's about 50% commission of a product I sold on Stakecut. Now this is another one of my earnings. Okay, this is earnings from another from mail, okay, based on Stakecut also. Okay, this is somebody's earnings. Can you see? People are making a lot of money on Stakecut, and I see no reason why you cannot do this. You can do this and even do more. All right, so having said that, if you are watching this right now, I need you to like this video and subscribe to this video because I'm going to be putting out more videos. Okay, so to show you the 4 hot selling products on affiliate on Stakecut, I'm going to take you to Stakecut dashboard now and show you the product. Okay, now why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that when you want to start promoting on Stakecut, for those of you who are watching this and you will love to make money using your smartphone, this is a video you should take note of, because knowing the product to promote will help you so that you don't beat about the bush, so you don't just go randomly on the dashboard and not knowing what to do. Okay, so I will take you straight to my Stakecut dashboard now and show you the 4 hot selling products on Stakecut. Okay, so follow me guys, follow me. So I come to my Google Chrome and I'm going to type Stakecut. Okay, I'm going to go to my Stakecut dashboard. Okay, all right, it's asking me to sign in, so I'm going to sign in now and show you what we need to see. Now this is my Stakecut dashboard. All right, for this week I've not made anything for this week. Okay, now the beautiful thing about Stakecut is that you get paid every week. Every Mondays you get paid if you sell a product. If you sell a product and all you're doing is just to recommend products to people, and once they make a purchase you get part of the money, okay, as a commission. Okay, very easy to do, very sweet business for someone who doesn't even have capital. Now the only capital you will need if you really want to be successful in this business, let's not joke about it, let's not beat about the bush, you need capital to get this program and learn how it works. Otherwise you'll be like 99% of people who are just sign up and they are struggling to sell. So if you really want to be successful, you really want to sell, just sign up. You're going to sign up, and you're going to have to get the program, a program that teaches you how to do this affiliate marketing. And the beautiful side of it is you will be learning and you'll be earning. All right, you'll be learning at the same time you'll be earning. As you're learning, you'll be implementing. You'll be taught how to convince people in writing, that is copywriting skills. You will be taught how to attract leads, quality leads. You don't want people who don't have money to pay you. Okay, you will be taught how to do Facebook ads, how to do Facebook ads to attract quality lead, people who are ready to buy. You'll be taught how to do email marketing and a lot of things. Now, if you get this program and you decide you don't want to do affiliate marketing, I'm telling you, these skills you are going to learn is going to help you in anything digital. Okay, if you want to promote your business, you can actually use this skill to achieve anything for your business. Okay, so quickly let's look at the top selling product. Now, can you see? Best selling product? Now, the first one is the ultimate affiliate marketing program plus the done for you sales system. Now, this program is just $40. All right, it's just $40. Now, as you sell, if you can sell this, this program, you are going to be getting $20 as your money, as your commission. Now, can you see? Let's go inside this program and just see. Okay, let's go inside this program. Should we go inside? Okay, let's just look at the others. Now, the second one is Amazon KDP for smartphone. Now, you must have seen adverts about Amazon KDP. Everybody's talking about Amazon KDP, Amazon KDP, Amazon KDP. This Amazon KDP is just about publishing books on Amazon with your smartphone. People are making money on this. People are making real money on this. And what is this all about? This is, the price for this is $33 and the commission is what? 50% commission. Okay, so half of that is your money if you can sell this, to people who need it. Okay, now the next one is Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program. That's by Caleb Waneka. This is a very hot selling product because a lot of people want to learn how to sell. People want to learn how to do affiliate marketing. They want to learn how to make a lot of money by just recommending products. So this is something you should jump on. All right. So if you're going to be joining Stakecut today, if you're watching this video right now and you want to learn how to make a lot of money from affiliate marketing, from just recommending products, this is a product that you should be selling. This is a product you should be promoting. Now, what's the price? The price is $50. All right, $50, and the commission is 50%. So imagine that you sell this product to about 10 persons, or you sell to 20 persons. 25 dollars times 20 persons. That's your money. And people are doing this every day, guys. People are doing this. I don't see any reason why you shouldn't join this. Okay, now the next selling product, which is number 4, is the Niger to Canada Japa system. People are leaving this country. Are you seeing, guys? People are running. People are jackpotting from this country. So you see, if you sell this product to somebody who wants to leave the country, you are going to make a lot of money. Now, how much is it? This is $67. And the commission is what? 50% commission. Guys, these are 4 hot selling products that are selling currently. Now, you don't want to miss this. You don't want to be lazy. You don't want to be outside while we are making money. Okay, so if this is something you want to do, you should be doing this. Okay, you should be doing this. If you have a smartphone, you can do this. This is something that you can do to make a lot of money for yourself. Okay, all that you need is some capital to start, capital to get the program. Okay, you need a program to learn how it works. Otherwise, you just come on the platform and you are struggling like 99% of people. Okay, so these are the 4 top hot selling products on Stakecut as of today. Okay, so if you want to learn how we make money on this platform, just go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link there for how you can get a program that will teach you how to do this step by step. Okay, so if you got value from this video, like this video, guys, subscribe to this video, and then if you have comments, you have questions for me, just go to the link, the comment section, and make a comment. Okay, don't forget to check the link in the description on how you can access the affiliate marketing program that can teach you how you can make money with this affiliate marketing business. That is all for today. That is all for now. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.